Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello everyone, welcome to official YouTube channel of Entry App, India's #1 app for the preparations of competitive examinations like banking, SSC, railway and other state level examination. I am Kashish Goyal, your reasoning mentor, having an experience of 3 years in banking competitive sector. So today we are going to discuss the one of the most important topic of banking examination, that is coding decoding, and we are going to do only one part, that is direct coding decoding. Means direct means the letters are changed directly into the letters or into the numbers. That will be called as direct coding. Okay, but before that, in the last class we have discussed the circular seating arrangement. So I have given you a question for the homework. Okay, so first of all we are going to solve that question. So let's see. 8 children P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W are playing musical chair. All of them are sitting on 8 different chairs which are kept in a circle face away from the center. Okay, so first of all, total we have 8 chairs and all are facing away from center. So the one important point that you have to remember is, if all the person are facing away, you can take them as facing inside. Okay, or if all are facing inside, you can take all as facing away. There will be no change, but I will solve you for you just taking away, but try yourself by doing it facing inside. Okay, now 4 of them are wooden chairs and 4 are plastic. So what we have, there will be 4 wooden chairs and 4 plastic chairs. Okay, so first of all, let's see the first information. You sit second to the left of W and both of them sits on different type of chairs. Okay, so you must be second to the left of W. So first of all, what I have told you, if the circle is totally empty, means no one is sitting there, so you can place first person wherever you want. So you can place first of all W here. Now you sit second to the left. Now if the person are facing outside, so if the person are facing outside, where will be the left and where will be the right? Let me know fast. Left will be this side. Okay, so second to the left means you will be here, that is for sure, and both W and U will be sitting on different chairs, means one is on the wooden and one is on the plastic, that is for sure. Clear? Done. Okay, next we sit second to the left of R and both sit on the same type of chair. Now what we have, that we must be second to the left of R, but right now we don't have R or V. Okay, so we can't take it directly, so we will take it as a point that V must be second to the left of R. I am taking it in a linear way and left right according to you, but when you are placing in the circle, you have to take all the person facing outside, so you have to take according to that. But it is in a linear, I am taking in a linear arrangement, that there you, if you have R, then second to the left it will be V. Done. And both of them are on the same type chair. Okay, so V and R, okay, on the same type. Okay, and what we have U and W on different. Okay, next T is on a wooden chair but opposite to you. Now T must be opposite to you, so it must be here, and T is on the wooden chair. Okay, so in the wooden you can take T, that is for sure. Okay, so with the T you can take W like this. Okay, next Q and S are immediate neighbors of you. Now what we have, that Q and S both will be the neighbor of you, but we don't know who is to the left and who is to the right. Here, so you can take like this, Q and S either here or Q and S either here. Is it clear or not? Done. Now this is point that we are now talking about, that V must be second to the left of R. So if you are placing R here, just suppose if you are placing R here, can you place V here? No, because second to the left there is already T, so you can't have V here, that is for sure. Now if you are placing R here, then you can have V here, that is for sure. So you can have R here right now, and if you are placing R here, then second to the left V can't be here, that is for sure, because there is already either Q or S. So it is obvious that R must be here and V must be here, that is for sure, nothing else left. Clear? Now the last person we have left, so we will place it here. So the last person left, that is P, so P will be here. Is it clear or not? These things are clear. Now everything is clear, just we have to look for the chair, type of chair. Now let's see the next information. P does not sit on wooden chair. Okay, so P is not on wooden, so it is obvious that P must be on plastic chair. Okay, so there you must have P. Clear? Next, and the child who sits opposite to P means W does not sit on the same type of chair. So if opposite to P it is W, so it must be on wooden. Yes or no? Is it clear? Now U and W must be on different chair. Okay, so if W is on wooden, U must be on which one? Plastic. Is it clear or not? Done. Okay, next, the child who is an immediate neighbor of W and T sits on plastic chair. So the neighbor of W and T both is V, so V must be on plastic chair. Yes or no? And if V is on plastic chair, then R must be on plastic, so R must be on plastic. Now see, on the plastic you already have P, R, V and U, so it is always that either Q or S, both will be on wooden, that is for sure. Is it clear? But right now we don't know the position. Okay, we don't know the position and we can't find out the position of Q and S from the given information, that is for sure. Is it clear or not? Done. So this will be the final formation. Okay, so the question is done. Now we will start moving on the questions of coding decoding. So in the coding decoding questions, so there you have first three questions. So first of all you have to attempt these three questions and let me know your answer in the comment section box fast, and you will have 90 seconds for these three questions. So the timer is started, so just do it fast. Total 90 seconds was there, means 1 minute and 30 seconds was there. Okay, so just do it fast. All the three questions you have to answer me in the comment section box fast. Let's see who will answer. So last 30 seconds remaining, guys. Fast, hurry up, answer me in the comment section box. Let's see how many of you will answer all the three questions. Last 10 seconds, guys. Okay, so time's up, guys. Time up. Okay, now see, I have given you total 90 seconds, means 30 seconds on each question. Okay, and that will be more than enough for these type of question. Okay, so let's see how to solve the question. So first of all, see, if friend is coded as this one, and how can candle be coded? Now first of all, what you have to do, whenever you are doing coding decoding, first thing you have to remember that place value of each and every letter, that is must. Second, the opposite letters. Okay, that is opposite letter. And if you don't know about all these things, okay, and how to solve the questions, so you can just go and watch my banking foundation core video. There you can easily remember how to remember the place value or opposite letters. Okay, so let's see. First of all, write down the place value of the letter that is used in friends. So first of all, F, so place value 6, R is 18. Okay, I'm writing down the place value. I is 9, E is 5, then N is 14 and D is 4. Done. So total 6 letters, so 6 place values there. Now you have to write down the place value of the code. Okay, letter that is used here in the code, you have to write down the place value here, just parallel to this. Okay, so first of all, H is on 8, U is on 21, M is on 13, J is on 10, T is on 20 and K is on 11. Clear? Done. So first of all, you have to do this thing. Now second thing, you have to see pattern, means how the question is solved. So basically there are 3 patterns. Okay, I have told you each and everything brief in the banking foundation course, so just watch my videos of foundations course. Okay, so first thing you have to do, you have to compare directly. If directly doesn't work, you have to compare reverse, and if reverse doesn't work on, you have to do divide. Okay, you have to do division rule. So first of all, means direct means first will be compared with first, second will be the second, third will be the third, fourth with the fourth. Okay, so 6 to 8 means you are adding 2, 18 to 21 you are adding 3, 9 to 13 you are adding 4, 5 to 10 you are adding 5, 14 to 20 you are adding 6, and 4 to 11 you are adding 7. So what is going on? You are adding by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the pattern, or you can say logic. So you have to just make the code using the word that is candle or letter. So first of all, place value of C is 3, A is 1, N is 14, D is 4, L is 12, E is 5. So first of all you have to add 2, so it will be 5. So on 5 it will be E. So see the option that are starting with E, that is option number 1 or 3. So second, fourth and fifth can't be your answer, that is for sure. Is it clear? Now with the 1 plus 3 that will be 4, and on the 4 we have D. So let's see on the second if there is D on the third option. No, so this can't be answer. So finally it will be your answer, and that's it. You don't have to make the whole code. Is it clear? So whenever you're doing question you have to see the options as well. Clear? Okay, now let's see the second question. So first of all, the code of a rational is written as TARNOILA, and what will be code for brutal? So let's see. So first of all we have rational and the code is TARNOIL and A. So first of all what you have to see, sometimes the direct coding is very simple, okay, but you just get confused into the place value or addition, subtraction, everything. See, the letters that are used in rational also used in the code, yes or no? See, suppose there is the word rational and the code is TARNOIL, RATI. Okay, there is, you have I. Okay, so just let me correct it again. RATIONAL, rational. The code is TARNOI and LA. Now see, this is RAT. Okay, this is TR, means they have divided this 3. Okay, so this written in reverse order TAR. Okay, this is like this. Now again these 3 NOI. Okay, in the reverse order, then this last 2. Clear? So they have used the same letter, but they have used a different pattern or logic to make the code. Clear? So same we have to make the code for brutal. So BRUTAL. Okay, so first of all these 3, then these 3. Okay, so first of all URB, then this will be LAT. So URB LAT. So this will be your answer, option number 2. Clear or not? Done? Okay, now let's see this question. So in a certain language, gamble is coded as FBLCKE. Now see, the code is now differ. Okay, the letter is differ. So first of all, write down the place value G7, A1, M13, B2, L12 and E5. Okay, now let's see the place value of this code, that is F is 6, B is 2, L is 12, C is 3, K is 11 and F is 6. Now see, comparing, first of all -1, then +1, then -1, then +1, then -1, then +1. So the value is changing with -1, +1, -1, +1. So we have to same solve for flowers. So first of all F is 6, L is 12, O is 15, W 23, E 5 and R 18. Okay, so first of all -1 it will be 5, on 5 it will be E. So which option is having E on the first? That first is can't be, third can't be and fourth can't be. So option can be either second or fifth. Now 12 plus 1, that will be 13, and on 13 it will be M. So M is on the second place, that is in the only option second, and fifth will be wrong one. So answer will be option number 2. Clear or not? Is it clear? Okay, so we have seen 3 questions. Now the last 2 questions that you have to solve right now. Okay, so these are the 2 questions and you have total 60 seconds, means 1 minute. Then timer is started. Just do it fast guys and answer me in the comment section box. $30 up guys, fast. $10 guys, fast, hurry up. Okay, that's it, time's up. Okay, so time is up. Now let's solve the question. So what we have, in a certain code easier is written as this one, then how is cutter will be written? So first of all you have to write down the place value as we have done earlier. So E is on 5, A is on 1, S is on 19, I is on 9, E is on 5 and R is on 18. Now same for this code, T is on 20, G is on 7, K is on 11, U is on 21, C is on 3 and G is on 7. Okay, now first of all comparing direct means first with the first, second with the second. So 5 to 20 means you are adding 15, 1 to 7 you are adding 6, 19 to 11 means you are subtracting something, that will be 8, 9 to 21 means you are again adding a big digit, okay, and it will be 12. Okay, so see, from here you can easily understand that this will not be the logic, because somewhere it is plus 15, then plus 6, then minus 8, plus 12. So this is not forming a perfect logic. It should be there will be a pattern. So this is not forming. So what I've told you, if the direct is failed, first method is direct. If direct is failed, second you have to do reverse one, means you have to compare first with the last one. So 5 you have to compare with 7, so it will be plus 2, yes or no? Done. So 5 plus 2, there you have 7. Now 1 and this is 3, so it will be again 2. 19, 21, it will be again plus 2. 9 to 11, it will be again plus 2. 5 to 7, it will be again plus 2. And 18 to 20, it will be again plus 2. So in each letter you are adding 2, but you have done the coding in reverse order. So you have to start from the last. 18 plus 2, 20. 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 2, 11. 19 plus 2, 21. 1 plus 2, 3. 5 plus 2, 7. Clear? So same you have to do for cutter. So C is 3, U is 21, T is 20, then T is 20, then E is 5 and R is 18. So you have to start from last. 18 plus 2, that is 20. So on 20 we must have T. Now 5 plus 2, that is 7. So it will be G. 20 and this is 20. So 22 and 22, it will be V and V. Now 21 plus 2, that is 23, it will be W. And 3 plus 2, that will be 5 and it will be E. So answer will be T G double V W E. So T G double V W, that is option number 3. So it will be your answer. Clear? So fourth question is done. Now let's see the last question, fifth question you have, and don't go anywhere because there will be homework. Okay, there will be homework questions for you as we have already given you in each and every video. So let's see. In a certain code language, tube is written as 2125, pinch is written as 59338, then how is mark is coded? So with the letter they are forming into the numbers. So it is obvious that somewhere place value will be used. So first of all, tube, that is T is 20, U is 21, B is 2 and E is 5. Now the code is 2125. Done. So this will be the tube. Now this is pinch. So P is 16, I is 9, N is 14, C is 3 and H is 8. So code is 59338. Now see, whenever you are doing solving such type of question, you have to keep one thing in mind, that what if in the given word the letters that are used having the place value of single and double both, but in the coded language the digits are only single or unit place value only. Okay, a single digit value is there. See, in this also the code is having the single digit, and in this also the code is having only single digits, but in the word given the place value having single and double. But see, the single digit are same as it is. Okay, here also single digit are same, the change is in the double digit. So how the double digit is changed? So the only way that the double digit, if it is there, it can be 2 plus 0, it will be forming a single digit, or it can be 2 minus 0, so it will be 2. Clear? So you have to see 2 plus 0 can be 2 and 2 minus 0 can be 2, but 2 plus 1 it will be 3, but there is 1. So 2 minus 1, there will be minus 1. So how they are doing the double digit? So they are subtracting or finding the difference between the digits. So 2 minus 1, that will be 1, 6 minus 1, that will be 5, and 4 minus 1, that will be 3. Yeah, so this is how the code is made. So same you have to make for mark. So M is 13, A is 1, R is 18 and C is 3. So 3 minus 1, that will be 2, 1, 8 minus 1, that will be 7 and 3, 2, 1, 7, 3. So option C will be your answer. Is it clear or not? Done. So we have solved the 5 question, and these are the some basics question of direct coding. Okay, so now the turns come up to be yours. Okay, so these are the homework questions for you. Okay, that you have to do. Clear? So in the comment section box I need your answer of the homework question, and in the further videos we are solving these 5 questions, okay, in the next video. Clear? So that's it. And one more thing that you have to understand one thing very carefully, that today examinations are online. Okay, so you are practicing offline, that is very good, but you need some platform where you can continue your preparation online. So Entry is giving you that platform, that we are having the quiz section in our app. Okay, so if you want to attempt any free quiz, you can download the link, or you can say you can have the link in the description box from where you can attempt the free quizzes. Okay, so what you have to do, so first just go on to the link given in the description, just click on it. Okay, you will be taken forward to our app. So a format like this will be open, so you can click on practices, then the window will appear like this, then you can take any section you want. Like if I am preparing like for RRB, so I clicked here, and you will get topic wise questions. And one more important thing that we are giving, that is analysis, of full analysis of each and every test you are attempting. So this will be the overview of your test, how much time you have taken, how many questions are wrong and how many questions are right. Clear? So just go and attempt the quiz from the link given in the description box. Second thing, as I have told you, that this is just a demo video, you can say just a basic questions. Okay, if you want to watch all my premium videos, you can just go on through the app, and the link is in the description box. There you can found my video courses in the banking foundations course or RRB courses. So just go in that. After that you will see such windows like this. Clear? So you can click on any of the courses you want. Like if I click on IBPS RRB PO, so there you can find my videos on every topic. Clear? So there you have many questions of regarding each and every chapter. So that is all we have in this section, and answer me the homework questions in the comment section box. Thank you so much.